Hi everybody, my name is Sapide from Persian campus, and I am here to teach you how to read and write in Persian. This is the third video. If you haven't watched the previous videos, you can find them on our YouTube channel or our website persiancampus.com. Let's see what we have learned. But first, remember that we don't cover the letters in order. So, in the last two videos, we have learned Aleph, B, P, T, Dal, Re, Z, Sin, Shin, Kaf, Mim, Nun, Vav, He, and Ye. Let's continue with Fe. Fe, which has two forms, big Fe and small Fe. The sound is F. The same as all big letters, the big Fe is used in final position of the word, while the small one is used at the beginning or middle position. Let's see some examples. Farsh. Farsh. It means carpet. The other one is kif. Kif means bag. Let's get to a very interesting series of letters. Do you remember in the second video I said dots are very important in our writing system? Now here is a proof. This is he. He. Sometimes to distinguish it from other he that we have in Persian, we call it hejimi. It has two forms, the big one for final and the small one for beginning and middle positions. It sounds he, normal, as in hobab. Hobab means bubble, and temsah. Temsah. By adding one dot under it, we will have jim. Jim. With two forms, the sound is j. J. As in juje. Juje. And taj. Taj. If you add the dot above he, you would have khe. Khe. It has two forms, the big one for the final and the small one for the beginning and middle. The sound is I know it is a little bit difficult for you to produce it. To pronounce it, imagine that you're gargling. The sound you make while gargling is very close to this sound. And please don't pronounce it like k or te, because we already have them in our language and we're gonna need them. Let's see some examples. Khane. Khane means house or home. Informally, we pronounce it khune. Khune. The other one is kakh. Kakh means castle. Now, another surprise of dots. Here is che. Che. With three dots under the main shape. Again, two forms that you can predict their positions. The sound is ch, ch, as in chatr, chatr. You can guess the meaning from the picture. And parch, parch. It means jar. Now let's finish this series and get to a new letter. قاف. قاف. With two forms, the big one for the final and the small one for beginning and middle. As in قند. قند. You see, this time the short vowel a is shown. There is no obligation to do that. It's perfect without it and more normal. And قایق. قایق. Now, with a small change to kaf, you can make gaf. Gaf. Two forms that their positions are predictable for you now. The sound is g. G. As in گوش. گوش means ear. And sag. Sag. Next letter is lam. Lam. With two forms and sound l. L. Examples are لیوان. لیوان. You see the small lam at the beginning position? And pool. Pool. It means money. Where the big lam is at the end. Then we have j. J. It has only one form and it sounds j. Now see, here again the dots. We have learned re and ze in the previous videos, and here is j with three dots, as in gelé. Gelé. It means jelly. And dej. Dej. That means fort or fortress. Okay, that's enough for this video. I hope that was not too much complicated. Let's practice our reading with the letters we have learned till now. Text 1. امین با پدرش به مسافرت رفت. Please repeat word by word. امین با پدرش به مسافرت رفت. Shadow, it means try to repeat with me, not before or after. امین با پدرش به مسافرت رفت. Now try to say the full sentence without any stop and alone. امین با پدرش به مسافرت رفت. Good. Let's practice the next line that says او در آنجا آچار خرید و پیچ دوچرخه را سفت کرد. Word by word and pay attention to the subtitle. او در آنجا آچار خرید و پیچ دوچرخه را سفت کرد. Now shadow with me. او در آنجا آچار خرید و پیچ دوچرخه را سفت کرد. Now try to say it a little bit faster and alone. او در آنجا آچار خرید و پیچ دوچرخه را سفت کرد. Continue with next text. امین با پدر بزرگش به گردش رفت. Word by word, please repeat. امین با پدر بزرگش به گردش رفت. Shadow with me. امین با پدر بزرگش به گردش رفت. Now try to say alone and faster. امین با پدر بزرگش به گردش رفت. Next line. او برای مادرش یک بشقاب خرید. Repeat. او برای مادرش یک بشقاب خرید. Shadow. او برای مادرش یک بشقاب خرید. Now say it alone. او برای مادرش یک بشقاب خرید. Now let's get to the second text. جواد دوست امین برنج و گل لاله می کارد. Say. جواد دوست امین برنج و گل لاله می کارد. Now shadow with me. جواد دوست امین برنج و گل لاله می کارد. Try to say it alone. I divided in two parts. جواد دوست امین برنج و گل لاله می کارد. Next line. خواهر جواد ژله درست می کند. Say word by word. خواهر جواد ژله درست می کند. In next video, we are going to learn some points about خواهر or examples such as it. Shadow read. خواهر جواد ژله درست می کند. Try to say it alone. خواهر جواد ژله درست می کند. Okay, let's review our table. We have alif, b, p, t, jim, che, he, khe, dal, re, ze, je, sin, shin, fe, qaf, kaf, gaf, lam, mim, nun, vav, he, and ye. Okay, wait for the last video. That will be video number 4. You can find it in our YouTube channel or in our website www.persiancampus.com. Bye for now.